Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the screen sharing between two Mac computers on a local network. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the Mac computer on which you want to share the screen. So on the first Mac computer, I'm going to just click on the Apple icon and then click on System Preferences, and then here click on Sharing. And then you need to enable this option, which is called Remote Management. So once this option is enabled, you will be able to see two things. You need to remember the computer name, and also you need to remember the local IP address of this Mac operating system. In the next section, you need to decide to which users you want to provide the access of your Mac operating system. So if you're not sure, you can select all users, and if you're sure, then you can just select this option which says only those users, and then click on plus icon, and you will see all the users in your local network. Select the user and then click on OK, and then you can decide which access you want to provide. I'm going to just provide these three options and then click on OK. And that's it for the first computer. So once that's done, you can close this window. Now you can move to the second Mac computer. So this is my second Mac operating system on which I want to see the first Mac operating system screen, right? So I will just click on Spotlight, and here I will search for screen sharing. So just search for screen sharing and just click on this option, which is going to open this kind of window. So here either you can provide your Apple ID, or you can provide the host name, which is the local IP address which you have noted on the first Mac operating system. So I'm going to provide the IP address of the first Mac operating system, and then I'm going to click on Connect. And now you will see the second window on which you can choose. Either you can log in to your other Mac operating system which you want to gain the access to using its username and password, or you can just request the access. So when I click on this option by requesting permission, and then when I click on the sign in option, it's going to send the notification to the first Mac operating system, and I can see this notification on my first Mac operating system which says screen share request, a guest user connecting from this IP address requesting permission to share the screen. So on the first Mac operating system, I will just press on share screen, and now I can see this screen of my first Mac operating system. So you can see this is the host Mac operating system, and this is the remote Mac operating system screen. Or I can just control this Mac operating system from my host Mac operating system. Now let's say you close this window. So I'm going to close the screen sharing, and you want to connect to the first Mac operating system once again. The next time this process is really simple. You just need to once again open the screen sharing, and from here you can go to the connection and then click on Open Recent, and then click on the recent connections. And once again you can either choose the username and password, or you can just request the permission here. And once you request a permission and the other guys gives the permission to his Mac operating system, you will be able to see the screen on his Mac desktop. So this is how you can set up your screen sharing on your two Mac computers. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.